welcome back to my channel. This is Jamaica and you're watching This World is My Runway. So today is Thursday and I'm at JJN Waxing Salon kasi magta-try ako ng SAKURA bundle nila. It includes the waxing for the full legs, eyebrows, the underarms, and Brazilian. It's gonna be my first time to try the Brazilian wax, so good luck to me. And yep, later on I'm gonna announce a giveaway for you guys, so keep on watching. Hi guys, I'm back. Just a quick update. Kakatapos lang nilang mag-threading sa kilay ko. Threading sa kilay pero waxing sa full legs ko. First time ko din sa full legs na waxing. And sa kilikili na rin siya. So, in a bit, darating na sila atin para mag-Brazilian wax. So scared. Good luck to me. Bye for now. Hi guys! Yeah, we're finally done and so far, nakaya naman yung Brazilian and the full legs and well, sa kilikili, sanay naman din ako nagpapawak sa kilikili, but sa down there at saka sa full legs, first time ko talaga, so it's good. I like the service. They're very accommodating at saka hindi sila mataray kasi may na-experience kasi ako before na sa isang waxing salon na medyo mataray yung tenant nila. So yun. About the giveaway, since I've tried the SAKURA bundle and I liked it, so I'm gonna give away one free session of the SAKURA bundle of JJN Waxing Salon. So again, it includes waxing on the full legs, the Brazilian waxing, and sa underarms, at saka threading sa kilay. So, kahit na babae ka or lalaki ka, pwede ka doon. And just, also, this is just for Davao residents only. Or pwede naman din nearby cities like Panabo City, Tagum, or Digos, as long as you can make sure na makakapunta kayo dito sa salon to avail the bundle. For the mechanics, I'm gonna post it on the description down below. And then, yep, hope you guys will like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope you could also join my giveaway. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Jamaica, and you're watching This World is My Runway. Goodbye for now. Till my next video.